Hi everyone, in this video we should learn about the CRUD operations in MongoDB. So what are all the CRUD operations? So what kind of operations we can perform by using the CRUD operations? So let me explain. So first of all, what is mean CRUD operations? So C means to create, R means to read, U means to update, and D means to delete. So let me explain one by one here. So first of all, we can create a collection. Okay, create collection name. So here this is the comment in MongoDB. How we can do the comment means we can use this symbol. Okay, so let me create a collection here. Let me run this. One collection has created. So yeah, one collection has created. You can see here. Now as of now we have not entered any kind of data, so that is the reason you can see fetched zero records here. Either you can use this method, get collections method, or you can use this method. Okay, both will be work here. So MongoDB will support for both syntax. So as of now we have not entered any kind of data, that is the reason you can see fetched zero records here. Next, I am trying to insert some record. Okay, here I am trying to insert to one record. Here you can see create is completed. You can see here create collection is completed. Next, I am trying to insert some data here. So let me insert by using the insert one. Let me run this. Yeah, I am trying to insert some data here. Yeah, data has inserted successfully. Now if I'm trying to expand, okay, now I am trying to see what kind of data I have inserted. You can see here, if I expand, whatever I have inserted, you can see same here. Okay, ID, it's a default generated field, and name, okay, and age, next salary and department. So you can see here it's a structured data. As of now there is no hierarchy structure I have created, just it's a structured data. So you can see here, yeah, it's a just structured data, name, age, salary and department. It's a document format. So you can see here name and age, salary and department. So data has inserted successfully. Okay, this is by using the insert one. If I am trying to insert multiple, I can use insert many. You can see here I can use insert many. Let me run this. So many records will be inserted successfully. Now if I am trying to run this query, okay, let me copy this and let me remove everything. Yeah, let me run now. Okay, let me see in structured data format. You can see here these many records I have inserted. If I am trying to see in a structured data format, you can see here these many records I have inserted by using the insert many command. So here you can see clearly it's a structured data. So NoSQL will support for both structured and unstructured data. Now what we will do, if I am trying to find, I mean by using find we can do filter specific records. If I am trying to filter HR records, you can see we have three records for department HR. Let me run this. You can see three records for department HR. Okay, so here you can see retrieve operation also completed. That means read. By using find method we can read the records. Create completed and insert also completed. Next to read also completed by using the find method. Next, I am trying to update the records. You can see here. So for record Sandy, what is the salary? 50,000. So now I am trying to update to 55,000. Here you can see. So previously, yeah, let me run this. For Sandy record, salary should be 50,000. Next, I will run this update query, update one. Next, we'll try to fetch the records. Okay, one record has updated. Next, if I'm trying to run, previously it's a 50,000, now it's updated to 55,000. You can see here by using this update one. So if we want to update to multiple, I can use update many. I'll show you here. So yeah, by using this update many, we can update for all department HR salary fields. So you can see for department HR salary fields 60,000, 60,000 and 45,000. By using this update many, I will update to 60,000 or 70,000, whatever the value if I want to update to. Now let me run this. Yeah, 3 rows will be impacted. You can see here all HR fields, the value department HR, the value has updated to 70,000. You can see here. So by using update many, we can update the multiple fields in single run. Next, so increment value. So what is the beauty of this increment value? Now the value should be 70,000. You can see here, if I am trying to increment the salary field to 2,000, here you can see every iteration 2,000 will be increased. Let me run this. Yeah, I have updated here, and if I am trying to find, you can see 72,000. That means if I am trying to update for multiple with incremental of some value, I can automatically use this method, this increment method. If I am trying, if I run again, automatically this will be the 74,000. I'll show you here. Okay, 3 updated successfully. Let me run this. 74,000, you can see here. So by using update method, we can update the value for single record, and we can update the value for multiple records, and we can increment the existing value. So this is the advantage with the update. Next, update has completed. So by using find method, we can see the records. So this is for read purpose. You can see here. Next, what kind of operations we can do? Update has completed, insert has completed. Next, by using this push method for existing record, we can able to add another value. I'll show you. Okay, add value to the existing. As of now, you can see here, it's a structured data. It's a plain structured data. You can see there is no additional fields available here. Now what I will do, I am trying to add one skills field. Let me run this. Yeah, one row updated. You can see here, for specific record, additional field got added here. It's an array type. You can see here. You can see if I show in a document format, for record 1, you can see here skills updated. For record 2, there is no value. There is no extra value here. By using this push method, by using this push command, we can able to add additional fields to the existing records. Okay. Next, as of now, we have completed insert and update operations. So now we'll try to delete. Okay, so we have sandy record, and I am trying to remove the sandy record. You can see here we have sandy record. Now I will try to remove this sandy record. So while I have running this, this record will be deleted automatically. You can see here. Let me run this. So one record got impacted, and you can see only 4 records. So if I want to see in structured format method, you can see there is no sandy record. By using delete one, we can delete the record one by one. Or if we want to delete multiple records, based on the filter condition, we can automatically delete. You can see HR. We have 3 records for HR. Let me run this by using the delete menu. automatically 3 records got deleted. If I'm trying to fetch, you can see only finance is there, rest of the remaining records got deleted. Okay, next, if we want to completely drop the collection, we can use this method for dropping the collection. Drop means it's a permanent remove. Okay, let me run this. I'm permanently removing this collection. If I'm trying to find, there is no collection is available here. Let me refresh this, refresh and expand. There is no collection is available because we have dropped. Okay, that's all about this video, guys. Hope you liked this video. Please subscribe.